We jumped on the random train and spent the day wherever it takes us, but there was one catch. We couldn't use the internet to walk around and we had to rely on asking the strangers.
I think we're gonna stay here forever.
But first, meet Anita, who joined me for this adventure.
Our plan is to write the prices of the tickets here and then we will choose randomly the prices because since we are broke bitches, we cannot take a train, for example, to Berlin till the end because it costs like too much. 70 and the last one.
This one!
Yes. Woo! It's the highest!
The highest! Dzień dobry. My poprosimy najszybszy bilet za 60-30 w jakimkolwiek kierunku. Super,
Dziękujemy pięknie. We just found some sauce. Okay, miejsca. No paparazzi, no photos.
Wow, you have so perfect eyes. Oh my god, I'm in love.
We just arrived. We cannot use the internet, we cannot use the maps, we cannot use anything. We need to ask locals about the experience and we have prepared some challenges for ourselves.
I think we can do this all.
We are about to do the first challenge to get a tour by a local.
I think we don't have time for waiting, so we just must do something and ask somebody to tour with us. Let's find a lone person. Yeah.
It was way easier to say than done, so we decided to ask around first what can we see by ourselves.
So we got some guidance from few girls and we are going to explore a spodek. And they said that behind the spodek.
Wow! What a big donut! Can we take it for the split? I love it because it's so big.
Yes, let's do this.
Okay.
We are back after a short donut interruption. There is a panoramic view behind the stadium, like Spodek is a stadium and it looks like UFO.
We will eat donuts with the panorama of Katowice. So romantic.
Yes, and maybe then we will find someone to give us a tour guide.
Katowice is a city on the south of Poland in a region called Silesia. We both visited it before, but we didn't know the city at all. We wanted to know what we can do, what can we see, and what is the reason to come here. So we decided to ask around.
To jest takim lokalnym doświadczeniem, co możemy zobaczyć. A co dla Pani?
Za co Pani kocha Katowice?
No, że mam dzieci, że właśnie czekam, bo chyba zostałam babcią tej chwili.
Naprawdę?
No, do muzeum iść.
Do muzeum? A do jakiego muzeum?
Muzeum Śląskie, takie największe nasze w
To dziękujemy pięknie.
I gratulujemy! Mogę Panią uściskać? Gratulujemy! Do widzenia.
I think it's gonna fly.
The sounds for the starting.
3, 2, 1.
We can try rate places that we've been.
Okay,
Show
Anita,
us.
we need to tell it more enthusiastic. Okay, guys, we just had the idea. We are gonna rate every little thing that we've seen here. We're gonna rate on a scale from 0 to 10, and it's gonna be so exciting.
It'll be super ecstatic.
Ecstatic. So first we have the UFO.
2.
3.
Okay, 3.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty much. I give a 2 because I don't want to give
Yes.
a less.
Maybe if it fly, because I think if UFO will come like really aliens, like it deserves a solid like +1.
I don't think it can fly because it's not aerodynamic. I think it's 3 is really high.
Yeah, okay. I changed my opinion. It's 2 because I was hoping it will fly. The panoramic view 8.
7. Okay.
I'm more optimistic.
I think the best option of the view, the big behind this is better, and this building
Maybe
is.
we should try to
Go there.
inside. It would be so much easier if you would have this like yellow vests.
Yeah. Everything is about confidence. You must go confidence that you work here and you know that you can go to the higher floor of the building. So yes, we must be only confident.
We almost got into tour guide from the strangers. There was a guy touring his friends and we joined for a little bit, but then I think they felt a little bit uncomfortable that we are around. Unfortunately, I didn't record anything because it happened very fast. But I did make a picture with the UFO. And in the background you can see backs of their heads. The guy gave us a very good tip about the panoramic view and he told that we need to enter the building there, this one, and there is the restaurant that we can go and we can see. We have the confidence that we can enter the Marriott without any problems. Oh no, it's not that bad, it's a shopping center.
Okay. Oh. A key. We need a key.
Oh, okay, let's find another way. So they said that the restaurant is open from 3 p.m. We might come back there.
Polecamy katowickie rzeczy do zobaczenia.
No my idziemy do Muzeum Śląskiego, więc...
Okej. Właśnie.
Let's go.
The beach, each.
Let's go get away. They say what you gonna say. Have a drink, da, da, da. But bitches like me. MTV Creeps, welcome to my crib.
Wow.
Wow. In the corner. Oh wow.
The water is for free.
Let's take some water.
In this one, the lights is very nice. The shades is going perfect, like the real shape. 8 for 10.
8 for 10.
This one is like I can draw it in primary school, so yes, it's nothing special.
How would you rate the museum? 8.
6.5. Maybe 7. Okay. you
Yeah,
have it.
now we are gonna find a place to eat.
Some Silesia place that we can eat. I don't know, Kruski Śląskie or something.
Yes.
And cheap place.
Yes. Yes.
No to nie jesteśmy stąd, także to
Okej. Jesteście z Katowic?
nasze kontakty trafiłyście niestety przepraszam z Wrocławia. Że fajna Katowica, niekoniecznie śląskie jedzenie, tam jest złoty osioł.
It's not a Silesian.
Yeah, we can ask more.
We can try more. Nobody's from Katowice. Why?
Nobody's from Katowice, like no. And people are coming here. Why?
That's the secret.
I just want to know what is the secret of Katowice? What brings the people?
We should ask why they come here. Restauracje tutaj w Katowicach. Najlepiej ze śląskim jedzeniem albo ze
Przed chwilą byliśmy. Tak? A Państwo są z Katowic?
Nie, z Łodzi. Centralna.
A co Państwa prowadza do Katowic?
Światowy Dzień Jąkania.
Światowy Dzień Jąkania.
Tak, dzisiaj jest.
Teraz tu pójdziecie i będzie hotel i w tym hotelu jest tam.
Dziękuję.
Super, dziękujemy.
Wow, they were lovely and they're from Łódź. So we have Wrocław, Łódź, Warsaw,
And from another
part of the world.
That's super international.
We'll try some Silesian cuisine. Let's go eat. Let's go eat. Let's go.
Time we must
Highlight the trip.
Idziemy błotanie.
Oj, Katowice w sumie chyba nie ważne.
Another one from North Katowice.
Dowiemy się.
Są kluski śląskie, bo to bardzo ważne pytanie. To nie wiem. So we are going to the milk bar, which serves the Polish cuisine, which gives us hope that there will be Silesian cuisine. I really do hope that they will have some kluski śląskie, because if not, Anita will be very, 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 very sad.
We obviously get lost on the way, but eventually we found this place. The food was so tasty, but what made it even better was the working woman there.
Nie możemy korzystać z internetu, ani z map.
Przyjechałam tu 6 lat temu na studia i zostałam. Bardzo mi się podoba. Że małe miasto, takie miłe, miłe ludzi. Przyszłam tu, znalazłam pracę za 2 dni. Przyszłam i myślę tu, że zostanę tutaj na zawsze.
Teraz bardzo dziękujemy za wszystko. Do widzenia. Hi.
I watched so many scary movies. Dzień dobry. Mamy do Pana taką sprawę, bo my właściwie słyszałyśmy tylko, że tutaj jest najładniejsza panorama Katowic, a my jesteśmy turystkami i chciałyśmy się
O, dziękujemy pięknie.
zwiedzać restaurację.
It's beautiful here. It's very fancy.
Not like us. People are staring a little bit, so I think it's time to run away from there. There are 4 people and they are still looking at us.
How do we rate this experience? 9. Oh!
The view is perfect. The thing that we do, that we're going there and the people are staring for us, it was so funny.
Yes.
I think it's breaking our lines and our
Yes.
balance. So.
We can go to Chorzów,
And only we have possibility to go to Nikishów. So this.
but how
can
do
be
we get there?
by bus?
What bus?
The lady told us. No, I don't know. We asked somebody.
Yeah, we will.
Can play paper, scissors,
Rock, paper, scissors?
Yes, and I am Nikishów and you are Chorzów. I think it's important because it can be our last destination because the day is ending.
Yes.
The sunlight is ending, so
Well, I would be more about Nikishu because I was not there.
okay, so we go to
Okay,
Nikishów.
okay.
Because I'm on Nikishów also.
Yes.
The lady said about 3 numbers.
I think it was
it's-
like the number like 190 or something.
Yes.
Okay, let's maybe
The-
ask someone here.
Yes, it's the best option. Stąd.
O,
Okay.
dobra. No.
To będziecie widziały 2 przystanki naprzeciwko siebie.
No.
Y,
Tramwajowe.
Tak, tramwajowe.
They weren't from Katowice either. What?
Surprise.
What is this place?
Maybe it's a fake city and everything is a trap. We just live in imagined world. And nobody can say that it's from Katowice because then we can start asking a question. And then, okay.
Ja już się zgubiłam. Powiedziała, że możemy iść na teatr. Not using the phone is not as bad as I thought, but without Google Maps it's a little bit exhausting because we are going like around and around and around. We ask people for direction and we get lost and
And people tell
And
us,
people-
different ways to go.
yeah. So it's a little bit more complicated. I'm starting to doubt if we're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it.
We need to find a way to the bus that one girl told us, but I don't remember anymore. We found it, and not yet, but we have the direction.
And I think we don't gonna lose it right now.
Sokolska Street, which should be there.
930.
I should tattoo myself 930. Basically, for the last almost 7 hours, we are walking in the same area all the time. And I would love to.
Not more than 1 kilometer.
Yes, I would love to see our footsteps, you know, like on the map, because it will be like,
Crossing the same place.
hopefully, we will find a way to another part of Katowice
Yes.
before the sunset. We will find a bus. I strongly believe in that.
Yeah, I believe it too. I believe it too. I'll be honest, I don't know in which way we should go right now. I'm not sure. Maybe we ask some.
Maybe we can ask someone. Maybe we can ask someone. It works every time.
I don't know, Sokołowska, tak?
Or Sokolska.
To ta.
Kolej na poziomie w tą stronę jakieś 300 metrów. Tak.
So we went a little bit wrong.
Okay.
But I think in that part, we didn't see that part.
Oh, no new experience.
Yes!
Really?
Adventure is not about the destination, it's about the journey.
I think it's gonna be this place. In this bus station, we can find our bus. Okay, but it's 5 on the end, so this isn't this. I asked the people are not sure.
What did you find, Anita?
I find that bus to Nikishewiec, but it's a different number what every people say it as. I'm starting thinking about to going there because it's getting dark and I know there is not a lot of places or restaurant even. I'm not sure if it's safe.
I'm not really sure about that as well.
Yeah.
Especially that we don't use our phones and we cannot use the Google Maps. I think
It's time to say goodbye.
it's time to say goodbye to the Nikishewiec plan.
Yes, to the Nikishewiec plan.
I
and to
think
the-
we need to improve listening carefully to the people because considering that at least 10 people gave us the
advice
advice
where we're
and
going.
directions and we still didn't find it, I think it's not our fault and we need to own that.
True. We need to be more focused on
Yes.
the word because we're so excited. Okay, somebody knows.
Yes,
Like,
and
I
then
was,
we
okay,
forget.
somebody knows. Oh my god, 1 kilometer is like curse or something.
It's a curse. Like we cannot leave this circle. We are just like all the time in a circle and it's just like keeps us, you know? It's not possible to escape.
Wondering if we can go back to home.
Maybe that's why so many people here are not from Katowice because they came one time and they cannot just escape and Katowice is just a city that just like keep the prisoners inside. I think we're gonna stay here forever.
Jakie są pociągi do Warszawy? O której godzinie dzisiaj i o...
Trzeciej, trzecia, 34, albo 20.